Hi there. According to Finder Research, one of the easiest ways to save money is to compare and switch insurers. Well, my car insurance is due for renewal, so I thought I would take some of my own advice for a change and see if I could get a better deal on my car insurance. Welcome to the list. This is where I am tackling all the tricky things on my to-do list and hopefully saving some money and hopefully inspiring you to do the same thing. This time, I'm talking about car insurance. I've seen plenty of ads lately encouraging people to change their insurers when it comes to car insurance because heaps of us have changed the way we're living and driving these days, thanks to COVID, thanks to loads of people working from home. And I know we certainly have. Neither me or my partner are driving to work at all, ever, even if we do get into the office. And of course, with rolling lockdowns and things like that, there have been weeks on end where the family, we haven't even left the postcode. So we are certainly driving a lot less than we used to. So thanks to the change in the way that we're driving and my newfound enthusiasm for chasing a better deal, I thought I'd try and do the same for the car. Now, this one, I thought making this video and this exercise would be a walk in the park. I assumed wrong. It turns out my quest for a better deal on car insurance was a bit like a little drama, one that played out in 3 parts. They all have very distinct themes to them, and I'll keep you hanging to see if I actually did get a happy ending. Let's see how it all went down. So I've been reading up on the art of haggling and how traditionally Australians are awful at haggling, me included. So in the spirit of haggling, my first port of call is going to be my current insurer. We've had our car insurance with them for over 10 years. I think that's been 2 cars, and we have our home and contents insurance with them too. So I hate making phone calls, but I'm going to make a phone call and see if I can twist their arm into getting a better deal. This one. Press 4. Oh, God. Press 2. Oh, hi, Erin. My name's Kate. Thank you. Erin, yeah, look, I just wanted to call. We have our car insurance and our home insurance with you guys, and our car insurance is due for renewal soon. And I was just wondering, because we've been using our car a lot less these days because we're working from home, and we have been with you guys for a really long time now and have our home and contents with you as well. I was just wondering if we might be able to do a little better than what we've got at the moment, what we're currently paying. Oh, so that is your lowest deal? So there's nothing else you could offer there? Okay. Yeah, so what if we raise our excess? Oh, great. $16.95 a year saving. Okay, right. Yeah, look, I'll think about it. The thing is, I really am looking at other insurers at the moment. No, that's all I think. Yep. Yeah, great. You have a good day too. Well, that was a flame out. All right, we're gonna go to plan B. I'm gonna do some research. I don't have to talk to anyone on the phone. And I will get back to you and see how we go. I've just been looking online and I've just been looking at the Finder website. It is harder to compare car insurance policies because they do need a lot more detail. So just on a surface level, you can select things like whether you want comprehensive car insurance or third party. But when you really get down to those details, they need to know what kind of car you've got, where you live, whether it's parked on the street or in a garage. So I've picked an insurer I've seen a lot of ads on TV about lately. I've just put all the details into their web form, car registration, car type, how much we drive, whether we've got a criminal record, how long we've had our licenses for. It was very, very detailed. Really hoping I don't have to talk to anyone, but it looks like here a lot of details. I should be able to get a quote online. So I'm going to do that. Oh, God. Now it's said, this is possibly one of my least favourite phrases. Someone will be calling you shortly to discuss this. Honestly, I don't know why companies take this much info and then just get someone to call you anyway. I'm going to wait for that call. I suspect it'll be very soon. Hello, Kate speaking. Hi, Charlie. Yeah, I'm pretty good. How are you? Yeah, great. Yeah. What am I up to? Well, I'm sitting at home hoping to get a better deal on my car insurance. Yeah, it is great weather. Yeah. Oh, hang on. Well, I mean, yeah, it's not great. Oh, you're in Queensland. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Sounds really great. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in Sydney. Yeah. Yep. Comprehensive. No car hire. 1,400. Sorry, I'm just laughing a little bit. That's actually about $300 more than what I'm paying currently. Yeah. Yeah, could you do any better? Like raise the excess or cut out any extra drivers or something like that? 1,200. Okay. Yeah. That's yeah, it's still more than what I'm paying at the moment. No, look, I won't be taking it out today. I want to obviously shop around. Yeah. Yep, thanks for that. Okay, yeah, if I change my mind, I'll give you a call. All right. Wow, that wasn't going quite how I expected. Maybe I'm already on the best deal. I don't know, I'm not convinced, but I've just found 2 insurers that I'm interested in. I've just put, well, one of them looks slightly better than the other. I just put in my details online again. Really hope I don't get another phone call. They're actually asking for a lot less information, just kind of all the basics. So I put those details in. I'm gonna hit send now. If I get another chirpy phone call from a sales guy up in sunny Queensland, I'm not sure what I'll do. I'm gonna hit send. Okay. Says it's gonna send me a quote. Is it really? Okay, I have my email. Okay, I've got an email. Let's see if I'm gonna get a call. Oh, wow, okay. I have a quote, and I didn't even have to talk to anyone. Not only do I have a quote, but this quote is for just over $500. That's a lot less than what I'm paying, which has now made me go a bit the other way. I'm like, hang on, what's wrong with that? So I'm just gonna have a bit more of a look at this insurer. Okay, so I'm just having a look on the finder side actually. All right, so this is a no-frills car insurer. One of the reasons that they can pass on really low premiums is the fact that they don't have a call center for people like me. Sorry, I'm cheering because for people like me, I hate talking on the phone. I don't know what's wrong with me. Much rather message, much rather email, as long as I can type. I don't want to talk. So that is how they save their money. They don't have a call center. And they say that this is like a no-frills, finder says this is a no-frills insurer known very well for their well-priced premiums. Not everyone is going to suit no frills, but for us, we have a Nissan X-Trail. We have to park it in the street because we live in the inner city. It's covered in mud and dog hair, plenty of scratches from altercations in the Coles car park. No frills is really what we need. We don't need car hire. We live close to the city. We can Uber, we can get public transport if our car's out of commission. We don't need things like windscreen replacements, and certainly don't need roadside assistance because we already have it. So there you have it. I can tick car insurance off my list for at least another year. Tell you what, I'll be checking again next year considering how much I saved. Anyway, that was $400. Let's do a pain versus gain. I always like to do this. So, we're talking pain. My haggling was awful and it felt really uncomfortable and it was super awkward. Mind you, pretty lackluster insurer who didn't seem very interested in coming to the party to keep a really long-term customer. So, that's probably not all on me, but it was definitely painful. The other big pain was filling out that massive web form for the other insurer. Like, literally, so many questions, only to get a sassy little sales call that then took a whole lot more of my time, only to find out that all they could offer me was the opportunity to pay a couple of $100 extra. Not really anything else. Big pain. But the gain is pretty simple. I saved $400. Hey, it's not quite as big as the win I had when I refinanced my home loan, where I saved $6.2 thousand in about 4 hours over a couple of weeks. If you want to know more about that, check out my home loan video. You can see how I did it. But $400 is $400, and I will be putting that on my mortgage as an extra repayment. So that's it for me this week. As Dr. Paul Harrison told me when I started this project about procrastinating, whenever you tick something off your list, you should celebrate with something small. I'm going to celebrate by eating the last of the blueberries and not share them with the children, because frankly, I never get to them. So that's my celebration. I'm no delicious. I swear they didn't hear me. So if you like this video, hit like. If you want to see more videos like this, why don't you hit the subscribe button as well to this channel and see all the other ways that you and I can tick off our to-do list. If you want to know more about car insurance, I've got links in the description below, as well as a few tips and tricks on what to say. Probably not one I've said, but from other people that know better. That's it for this time. I hope you're having a great week. Stay safe, and I'll see you next time.